How do you make sure that your lid's not going to fall off your teapot? I think it would have worked, but I would like that little bit more of a belly that we have on this one. If you don't put the same pressure all the way down to the bottom, it is going to start forming a knob there. I also added the same little surprise on the inside of the lid. And you'll see once again I'm not using too much slip. I can put a handle on like this. I can even cut it smaller. I'm always encouraging people to pinch pots because that creates little eyeballs on your fingertips. The flange will fit into the hole and the cap will go over the piece. Let's check and see. Let me get back to the hollow part. You've been taught that you have to be very careful for air on the inside of your pieces, right? We will address that. I will talk to you about that. And then the base, that's a story for another day.